Hello friends, this is Chaturvedi, your mentor, your friend for astrology, and as stated by you that I must make some videos in English as well as everyone is not comfortable in Hindi. So I am making this video in English. This video also been already made in Hindi. So if you want to have it in Hindi, you can also see it on our channel Chemistry. So today we are starting. We will with the zodiac signs. We will be discussing the Aries. So, as you must have been heard that there are 12 zodiac signs uh, starting from Aries to Pisces. These are always coming into chronological sequence, starting with Aries, then Taurus, then Gemini, then Cancer, then Leo, then Virgo, then Libra, then Scorpion, then Sagittarius, then Capricorn, then Aquarius, then Pisces. So, from Aries to Pisces, there are 12 signs, and if we think on the zodiacal circle, so this is a 360-degree circle, and from 40 degree to 30 degree, this is the area or this is the matter of Aries. So, being the first sign, it is the always starting point of everything. So, we are starting with the Aries. So, looking at the Aries, I have made a chart of the key concepts of the Aries, but it is in Hindi, so no matter whether it is in Hindi or English, I will explain it to you in English. So when we are talking about the Aries, so we are saying it as Mesh in Hindi, we know it as Mesh. The sign of this Aries sign is the Ram, or in Hindi it's a Medha. The ruler of this sign is Mars, and the degrees are 1 to 30. The direction of this sign is East, but as it is being ruled by Mars and Mars direction is the south, so it is also being exalted or doing well and performing very well in south direction as well. So for the Aries guys, the east and the south direction are good for their overall prosperity and the performance. The nakshatra, when we talk about the nakshatra, there are 2 and 1/4 of the third sign, so overall 2 and 1/4 of the third. The nakshatra in every sign, so of Aries, these are Ashwini, Bharani, and first part of the Kritika. Every nakshatra is having a 4 part, so all 4 parts of Ashwini, other 4 parts of Bharani, and first part of Kritika. So these 9 parts becoming the total Aries. So if we talk about the first axar of the name, so what should be the first axar of the first alphabet? I am saying akshar. So first, what should be the first alphabet of the name? When we are deciding from the rising sign at the time of birth, so it's a chu, che, cho, la. First part of the Aries, then li, lu, le, o. The second part of the Aries, and the last alphabet of the Aries. So if we talk about the appearance of the Aries, so it's a small, it is not very heighted one, and the gender of this sign is male. These are very cruel in presence, and these are movable and quadruped signs. So as these are movable, they cannot sit for a long time in a single place. They are very much vibrant. They love to go out and have some kind of adventures. So this is the very adventurous sign. If you put these kind of people in a place where they have to do a routine work, they will not be very much happy, and they will surely and as early as possible, they will leave that place. Going forward, it's the time of the rising of the sign. So this sign is rises from its back. So what does it mean, rising with the back? It means that in the life cycle they will get success comparatively later than the other signs, like Sirishodar means the signs who are riding with its head, or Ovyodar, the signs which are riding equally. Moving forward, the power or the bulk or the powerful time of this sign is the night. They are very powerful in the night. They are night going kind of creatures, and in the Kundli, in the natal chart, is the 10th house is the powerful house for the Aries. So if in anybody's Kundali, if the Aries sign is in the 10th house, it's a very good disposition for this Aries sign. And Varna. So, if you are aware about the Indian Varna system, that Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, and Sudra, so in that system, the Varna is Kshatriya for this sign, and the color of this sign is the red. And talking about the Ucha sign or Neech sign, the exalted or deviated signs of the planets and the Mool Trikon. So when we will go further in the astrology, so you will come to know what are the exaltation, deviation, Mool Trikon, etc. But for just knowing for the Aries, we can say that it's a exaltation sign of Sun and Mool Trikon sign of Aries. So Sun is exalted up to 10 degree and Mars is in Mool Trikon up to 12 degree of the Aries. So this is the exaltation and Mool Trikon of Sun and Mars. So going forward, it's if we talk about the places, so the hilly area and the mines are the place of this sign, and the material things are the all wearable cloths and the all eatable food grains are the material of Aries, and it's the favorite gemstone is coral and the element is gold. So this is all about the Aries. So now it was the key things for the Aries. Now we will talk some general thing. So like if you are having a Aries friend, so you will get him very much vibrant and some kind of arrogancy in him because of the disposition and ruled by the Mars, as he would always be love into fight some kind of thing like where he can demonstrate, he can show his power, his willfulness, his willingness to try something new. So he will be always very vibrant, always acting or thinking to try something new. He will be always trying to be at front that okay, I want to be a forefront of everything, I want to be a face of everything. I am not the guy that who can sit at the end of the line and just see the things letting them go. So he want to try each and everything. The disposition will be short and there will be very though they are very arrogant, but they will be very soft spoken, and they are having that charm of getting the people in his side, by hook or by crook. So and as far as the progeny, they will not have much childs, so there will be either 1, 2 or at the most 3. So it is all about the Aries. So next time we will be discussing the Taurus. Bye bye till then, requesting you to subscribe, to share, and to make the people aware about our channel. So bye bye till then. Thank you.